to start with a simple problem. 4x squared plus 9y to the third equals 20. Now the first thing you need to do is take the derivative of the whole equation. So it's going to be 8x plus 27y squared. Now since we're taking respect to y, it's going to be y prime equals 0 since 20 is a constant. Now next we need to do is isolate the y prime. So we're going to take ax to this side over here. So it's going to be 27 y squared y prime equals negative 8x. Since this is times, I'm going to divide 27 y squared on both sides. And our final answer will be y prime equals 8 minus negative 8x over 27 y squared. Okay, second problem. We're going to start with a conjugate. 2 sine of y equals x. Now we're going to take the derivative of the whole equation. So it's going to be 2 cosine of y. And since y is inside, we use chain rule. It's 1 y prime, but you don't have to put the 1. Equals 1. Then you can divide 2 cosine of y on both sides. And the final answer will be y prime equals 1 over 2 cosine of y.
Tell me, would you kill to save for life? Tell me, would you kill to prove you're right?
Okay, so today we are doing a different problem using fraction. So we're using fraction, of course we'll have to use quotient rule. The quotient rule expression will be f prime g minus f g prime over g squared. Sorry, the focus is horrible. Okay, that's good. So, of course, we have to take derivatives on both sides. So, it'll be 2y prime equals, using the quotient rule expression for the side, will be 1 times x plus 1 minus x minus 1 times 1 over x plus 1 squared, right? Yes, okay. We're going to simplify that to 2y prime equals x plus 1 minus x minus 1 equals the 1 that, okay, times 1 over, no, you could take this out, sorry, over x plus 1 squared, right? So of course we're using the distributive property to simplify even more for the numerator, which will equal 2y prime equals, using the distributive property, okay, so I'm going to write it right here. So it'll be x plus 1 equals, x plus 1 minus x plus 1. You can easily cross out x because they cancel out. So it'll equal to 2 over x plus 1 squared. Okay? To have the y prime by itself, of course, we have to divide 2 on both sides. So it'll be y prime equals 2 x plus 1 squared over 2. Of course, we will have to use keep, change, flip to actually change this because this is a weird equation. So y prime equals, keep the fraction, 2 over x plus 1 squared. Change the sign, so it'll be multiplication, flip 2 over 1 to 1 over 2. And now, to actually, before I actually simplify it, this whole thing will become, this whole expression right here will become 2 over 2 times x plus 1 squared. And to simplify that, you cross the 2 out, and it'll become 1. Be y prime equals 1 over x plus 1 squared. And that is your answer. Okay. I had to write the arrow so you could kind of follow my steps. That's it.
I'm complicated. You cannot force me, cannot force me. I'm complicated. I'm not like you. You cannot force me into your shoes.
Alright, final problem is going to be a little bit harder. Is this y on both sides. So the equation is 2x plus 8y equals 3xy. Now we have to take the derivative of the whole equation. So it's going to be 2 plus 8y prime equals, since 3xy is together, you have to use the product rule. So it's going to be 3y plus 3xy prime. Now you have to get the y prime to be on the same side. So move the 8y prime to this side, and then we move the 3y to this side. So it's going to be 2 minus 3y equals 3xy prime minus 8y prime. And since there's a common factor of y prime, you can pull this out. So it's going to be 2 minus 3y equals y prime, parentheses, 3x minus 8. Now you can divide 3x minus 8 on both sides. And the final answer is going to be y prime equals 2 minus 3y over 3x